Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which will actually fetch the financial market stock market data of all the top 100 companies in the world. It's using Yahoo Finance API, and it provides you a free module inside Python where you can use this API in the background and fetch using the technique of web scraping. So this is actually the simple Python script. It will save this all this data inside in this Excel file. Here you will see the actual column names. This is the address of the company, which is city, state, zip code, country of the company, phone number, website as well. It will also fetch the industry of the company. As you can see here, it is fetching all these companies here. You will see that all set of financial stock market data which is relevant here, it all fetches for the top 100 companies here. You will see that. So let me show you the package here. This is Y Finance. If you just go to the Python website here, just search for this package here, pip install Y Finance. Just install this. I've already installed it. And the second package is Pandas, which is used for data analysis. Also, you need to install this as well by executing this command. So I have given all the script in the description of the video. So just now create a simple app.py file. And now first of all, you need to import the necessary packages like this Y Finance as YF. Secondly, we also need to import the pandas package. And here you just need to create the tickers by which you actually, this is shorthand notation for each company in the world. So you can find for any company the tickers value. So I will just paste this inside this array. So Google ticker is this shorthand form like this. Amazon, this is Meta, Nvidia. So you'll see like this. So you put this now, and using these tickers value, you will be fetching the financial stock market data. So just create a simple data variable, and we will be looping through this array here like this. And using this ticker value, we will be fetching the data using this package here by Yahoo Finance package. It contains this function ticker, and here you will pass your ticker value and grab the info. So you can print out this data here. So this will contain all the properties of the data that you want. So here you will put the exception. So now if you see here, if you execute this one by one, it will fetch the data here. You will see each set of data is fetching here. And now we just need to store this data inside an Excel file rather than printing it out. So what we will do after this, fetching this right here, you will be storing it and we will be appending this data here. So like this. After that, we will convert all this data into a data frame by using the pandas library like this. This is a function here which is data frame, and passing this data to it. After that, we just need to create an Excel file. For creating the Excel file here, we will use the pandas library once again. So we'll just name this whatever you want to do this. So let me just name it XLS, and this contains this function to Excel. We will convert this output file. So now what happens, so it will go one by one using the ticker value. It will fetch the data and then store this inside that Excel file. So let me just restart this once again. It will do this for all the 100 companies out there one by one. So you just need to wait and after some time it will create that Excel file. So it will go through each company here, 1 2 3. So this for loop will run here 100 times. After 100 successful iterations, it will create this Excel file and save this inside your location. So it's a very useful package. You can do this unlimited number of times. There is no such a restriction out there using this package. It uses Yahoo Finance API in the background to download the financial market data. So it downloaded the latest data from this API, Yahoo Finance API. By the way, this API is not free, but this package allows you to use this for free, just getting this market data for completely free. So you will see it has created this Excel file and all the market data has been fetched. All the properties here, city, state, zip, country, phone number, website, what is the industry of the company. You can see it fetches all the data. So if you need the full script here, you can go to the description and copy paste all the source code from my website blog. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.